So I just picked this up today. Well, it just got here in the mail. It's an 1.5 blade by 144 inches, and I think 0.055 thick. So those are 0.045, I think, or something like that, and 1.25 inches. So I'm attempting to put a thicker blade on and a wider blade in hopes of getting straighter lumber and a little bit faster feed rates. So let's get this on the mill, and yeah, it's pretty breezy today. None of this video is sped up. I wanted you to be able to see how this cut, so there'll be no music on this one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll let you get back to the video. 16 inches was the narrowest spot on that, and 17.5 was the widest. So I think that blade definitely works quite well comparatively. Now that obviously was a hemlock, it wasn't hardwood like I've been cutting, but I couldn't fit those soft maples through between that pile and those logs, so I had to roll down one of the hemlocks instead. I have to cut them before I can cut the soft maples. Anyway, it seems to have solved one problem and created another. I get faster feed rate, and it seems to be cutting a lot quicker, or flatter, not faster and flatter, but the thicker blade puts out more sawdust, which is clogging up where the sawdust comes out. So I'll have to see what I can do about that. But so far, so good. And this is one of their Wood-Mizer Double Hard blades, so we'll see how it holds up. I mean, if it breaks a little bit sooner, but I cut faster, that's fine by me. I'm looking to get maximum amount of feet, not save a little bit of money. Yeah, it seems to be working. Oh, I'll grab my wheel cleaner, compare it. It's just an old piece of broken blade. I use it to clean the sawdust out of the wheel grooves. You can see how sawdust will build up in there. I just take this usually and clean it out, but I'll put it on here. Comparison. I'll line the front of the teeth up. So there's an extra 1/4 inch there, and you can't really see the difference in thickness, but take my word for it, it's thicker. Alright, I'll post this video and I'll keep you updated on how this works. See you on the next one.